Hey guys, let's proceed and do the creative process section. But before that, I have some few changes to make on our latest work section. On the link part, I feel like it's a bit small, so we're going to bump the size to 44. So, 44. Align it properly, and align it again. And also, for the date, I just feel like we just make this as a text. October 3, 2013. And that's it for the changes. Now let's proceed. Now on the Layers panel, create a new layer and name it Design Process. Let's check our wireframe. We still have heading, a controls here for plan, design, code, on launch, an icon, and an image. I mean a text. So the measurement is still the same. Turn on the baseline grid and measure 120. Now, to make this easier, let's duplicate the heading as well as the button. Drag it and move it below. And simply, let's change the text heading to Creative Process. For this one, the first one is Plan. So for this one, I'm going to add 30 padding on left and right. So Control T and make it so that will make it 103 by 44. Remove the fill, add a stroke, line it, next will be Design. So the same technique applied, so I'm going to do it fast. Now, for the text, let's change this to concrete. And for the non-active state, we're going to change the stroke to E3, E3, E3. Or we can make it a bit more darker. Now for the active state, using the direct selection tool, select this one and make the edges not rounded. So for the other remaining, for the non-active state, to make it faster, we will just create the line. Change the fill color to D3, D3, D3. Duplicate it, place it at the bottom. And lastly, we're going to align this. Like that. Now turn on the baseline grid and add another guide. Now measure 120 pixel again. Place a guideline. Now let's add the text. Now for this one, we're going to use 7 columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's add the text. Make sure it's not all caps. Make the font size to 16. Make the alignment. Make sure it's regular. And for the heading, make this 333333. Make this all caps, make this bold, and check the font size 18. Place it like that. Now turn on the baseline grid. Place it like that. Now we're going to add the icon. So on desktop, on images, there is a plant icon. So we're going to use that one. Place it on our canvas. And align this in the center. Add a guideline. and create another guide 120 pixel. Now, let's going to align this text. So for the text, let's move this to design process. And for the text, let's align it with the icon. Something like that will do. Now we just created our creative process section. On the next video, we're going to create the testimonial section. So I'll see you guys on the next one.